So it is currently 6:40 a.m. Essentially, I wouldn't usually record, but she's like, let's record a video. And I'm super tired. You know, I have to grab my energy drink. There's a lot that I have in my hand. So I should get there around like 7:11, I believe, maybe 7:20. It's like an hour drive. Oh, I lied. It's actually 6:41. Oh God. I'll still be early and on time, but I like to be extra on time since I missed class 1. And you can only miss like 2 days. And I missed a day and a half because I was sick. In the first class, I was it wasn't safe to drive, and I was driving on the highway, and I usually don't do that, but I learned my lesson. It was raining so hard and so bad. But we are about to start. I am currently in class 8, or I believe it's class 8. Yeah. I'm super tired, so I can't even be like bubbly right now. I can't fake it if I wanted to. Excuse me. Oh, that's disgusting. I'm probably just gonna listen to some tunes. Oh, and I forgot to do my homework. But they're only like 1 point. So if you don't know, I'm in Accelerated Academy for dental assisting. So for the state of Georgia, you don't actually need a certification to be a dental assistant, but I'll be CDA certified with this program. I already got my BLS/CPR certification and my radiology certification. So by the end of class, I'll get my dental assisting certification. I got my BLS separately because I missed class 1 and they did that class 1, but that was no problem. Yeah, I'm just really excited to become a dental assistant and you guys following this journey with me. Yeah, so I'm about to get on the road and I'll see you guys later because I need my phone for GPS. Guys, look how clean this bathroom is and their cute little bows and how they decorate. I just love it so much. But I'm currently taking my lunch from 12 to 1 p.m. I already have my Dunkin' food. Just a maple bacon chicken croissant sandwich with white cheese, 2 white cheeses. The lecture wasn't even bad or anything, so this is actually class 7. So I have 3 more classes to go and then we're all done. But basically how Accelerated Academy goes, like we do our first half from 8 to 12. We do our lecture and we talk over the slides and we talk over and review our homework that we did that is online. And then from 12 to 1 we have our lunch, which I'm currently doing, and then from 1 to 5 we do clinicals. So that's when I gotta pull up my hair, put on my mask, gloves, and sometimes I wear my jacket, sometimes I don't. It doesn't really matter. Yeah, I think we're gonna be doing RCT, which is a root canal setup. And we're kind of reviewing because we already did mostly everything and we only have 3 more classes left, and then we have the test and everything. But if this is something you want to do, like, and you don't want to take 2 years to become a dental assistant, and I recommend doing school for dental hygiene for 2 years so you can get your associate's degree, and then but while doing that, do this Accelerated Academy course because it's only 10 weeks and it's just 10 weeks of your Saturdays. That's so fast, so quick, so easy. And people, like I said, you don't actually, in the state of Georgia at least, you don't actually have to be certified to be a dental assistant. Now, will you get paid more being certified? Yes. So me taking this course, instead of taking 2 years to become a dental assistant, I could just do this for 10 weeks and get my certification for dental assisting, BLS certification, which I think that's a requirement no matter what, if you're in the medical field or whatever. But you can do that, like, search that up and it's only like $34 for online and $34 for like in person or whatever. But we have 2 instructors. They switch off, so they're not there at the same time. Now for the first class, I heard that they have both the instructors there, just like so we meet and greet them or whatever. Yeah, and you're just required to have black scrubs. I got these from Fabletics. You can't wear Crocs, just closed-toe shoes, doesn't matter what color, and you need a scrub jacket. Now my scrub jacket is actually from Walmart, because when I was looking for scrubs, because I was looking for something quick just to get, the Walmart brand, really bad. They were super huge, they didn't fit. Literally, you just need a laptop. You need your own laptop, you can't use your phone, or like a tablet with a keyboard so it looks like a mock laptop or whatever. A laptop, black scrubs, closed-toe shoes, pen, and a notebook. That's all you need. That's the requirement. I paid for tuition or whatever, $2,000, because I like enlisted early, so it's just $2,000 for my payment, and I pay every 2 weeks, like monthly payments. You could pay it all at once, or you could do monthly payments. Not monthly, I do bi-weekly payments, whatever. There's only 10 people in our class, so it's a very small class. There's no required book. There used to be a required book. Although it's not required, I am gonna still get it off of Amazon. It's like the Dental Assisting 13th Modern Edition by Bird something, eBird, because that will really help with your courses, because you have everything on the laptop for our lectures and our homework. So it's everything in that book, but it'll still be helpful to like reference on or whatever. Okay guys, I just came back from school. As you can see, I am sweaty, I am tired, I am a mess. But if you're considering dental assisting or anything like that, or any career path, just put your mind to it, because I came from a very hard situation and I just refuse to like stay in that position. I refuse to feel like a failure, and that's exactly how I was feeling. And just know that whatever you put your mind to, you can literally do it. You can literally do it. They really do mean it. Does it take time? Yes, it takes time. It takes hard work, and it takes motivation. My motivation is not always on 10. It's usually 0. By the way, if you need a laptop like right away, Best Buy. Best Buy, Best Buy, Best Buy, Best Buy, Best Buy, Best Buy. Best Buy is your best friend, because I got discounts. I order it, same day got it. But comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know. Let me know how you like this video, and I'll see you guys again, I guess, I think. Bye.
Tell them this, Diddy Mitch, Junior Watanabe on my ex-strippers, killers, shot.